unboxing the expensive Hyper Limited.
Here we're unboxing the Heybike Mars Special Edition.
Which arrived late.
Waited about a week and a half for it.
Heavy as a...
Wow, look at the way they pack this. Isn't that nice?
There's a whole lot of foam in there.
Yep.
So what do we do? Just lift it out?
Well, probably put it on its side, maybe. I can't believe you're unboxing it now. Oh, you're going to need your knife.
I don't want to scratch the seat though.
Looks like you're losing your hair.
Say what?
They really pack them well, Bob, so you're going to need that knife.
At home I would use a snipper.
Yeah. Here, you want me to hold on to that?
Yeah, I got it. I'm going to put it on top of the phone. What do you want?
Where'd you find out, Don?
I already bought one. This one's Bob's.
Oh, is that bicycle?
Yep. See if you can't help him with that box there. It's pretty heavy. Wow, look at that. Look at those wheels. Look at those wheels.
You got big wheels like that?
Yep. Same ones.
Yeah, it's the same bike. This one has...
I have different rims.
Different things.
Wow, that is a thing of beauty.
So everything is...
Yeah, it's really wrapped up. You're going to have to unwrap everything.
I ought to be able to straighten it out first, no?
You filming him on doing it?
Kickstand on?
Kickstand. Wow, look at that bike.
Man, that thing is packed.
Oh yeah, they pack them good.
Yeah, back to the knife.
Like
just
those
don't wanna-
4-inch fatties.
4-inch fatty. Better not take it downtown.
And I love those rims.
Oh, those are nice. So, these are handlebars. Don't trip over the shit there, Don.
Oh, your display is a little different than mine.
What do you mean?
Well, mine's mounted on the side for one. Your display there, or your left hand there.
On the camera, you mean? Oh, yeah. Well, remember, it's a different display. I thought you were talking about the phone. So what did you put in first? Handlebars? Or?
No, I did the handlebars last. I did the pedals, the seat, and then the handlebars. Looks like you got a little tag here.
It's yellow.
Yes, it is.
It's probably got $100 worth of packing here. there any power in the battery?
I don't see anything.
Well, don't you have to put the key in it to test it? Or?
Probably. Where are you? Oh, your keys are probably in the box.
Probably. Seems like a random zip tie. All right, quick, Don, go home and get yours. Let's go riding. So what is this?
I was gonna bring mine today, but I gotta.
Just packing? Is that what that
Yeah,
is?
that's just packing.
Man, they wrap everything.
Mm-hmm.
Dude. Again, I don't like trying to cut this tape because the knife might nick the paint. Probably better off using scissors.
I guess it's 20 minutes just to unpack it.
Yeah. 20 minutes or more. Where'd this go?
That's just packing also. Mine were so dirty last night. It took me an hour to
Something
hour and a half
else to
clean.
watch after camping.
Oh yeah, yep, another thing. Then you've got a little on your rear tail light too.
Oh, can't have that. Yeah, John left this stuff on his car when he, on his AT4.
Mm-hmm.
He's like, oh, if I sell it, it still looks like it's brand new.
All right, so you got to get in your toolbox over there. You got some on your gear selector.
So this,
It's gonna go this
yeah,
way.
these wires are so tight. Oh,
It's gonna go that way. Oh, wait a minute, maybe not.
no.
Am I still recording?
I don't know. You tell me.
There you go. There you go.
That makes a difference, huh?
So then what you're gonna do is you're gonna line it up. Then you're gonna flip it open. No. It's gonna be lined up like this.
Right.
Then you're gonna flip it open. Then you're gonna tighten that Allen wrench in there. And that's the problem, is when you go to flip it, it's gonna move on you.
Oh, I see.
So you gotta like just tighten that up a little bit.
Okay.
Get it a little bit snug.
So you gotta.
Just yep.
I see.
And then you can adjust here. I like that display.
That was
So
the
that
big
was-
one, right?
Yeah, I believe it is. So I would just get it a little bit snug. And then you can worry about that. It flips up, I believe.
Bam, bam.
This was actually the hardest part for me. Not too snug. Get your wheel straight.
You know I was a master mechanic.
Wow, this thing is sweet.
How does that look from the other side?
Looks pretty good to me.
Looks lined up to me.
You can always adjust it.
Ah, yeah. That's a great thing about this kind of stuff. So what's that play up there?
Maybe here. That I don't have. There you go.
No, this is what. Oh, that's for twisting. Yep. Well, I think that once you get this, yeah, because it's just kind of.
Okay. And you adjust that to your height, obviously. And you got to get your seat on. Got to get your key out.
Where's that all squished? I got a complaint. Should be squished. Here's mine. I'll be right back.
Huh?
I'll be right back. You can film all the details. The pedals. I'm assuming you have a wrench for this, right?
Yep. In your tool.
Okay, now is this like a car where you have
Well, if you look at your sticker, it tells you exactly how to do it.
left and right, but is it left sitting on it or left facing?
It would be sitting on it.
All right. So left is going to be on my
Left.
so right.
That's your left.
Take these off.
Yep.